Okay, so we're going to set up Avocado Protect on a new account. So the first thing you're going to want to do is top up some gas. So we have 2 USDC deposited on the Gnosis chain, and we're just going to go ahead and top that up. And just like any other transaction, you're going to sign it just a signature. So once that confirms, it'll take about 2 minutes or so, and then you'll see your gas up top. Then now you can start with Avocado Protect. So Avocado Protect has two parts to the security, the OTP 2FA and then the backup address. So you first have to set up the OTP, and you have three options: Authenticator, SMS, and email. So for this example, we're going to go ahead and use the email. So I went ahead and used an Ethermail that I created, and then you sign. So when you sign here, what it's going to do is send you a code to your email to verify. So you bring back that code and you paste it. Okay, and then that's your email is now set up. But to fully set it up, you have to actually activate it. So the 2FA security is network specific. So we're going to go ahead and activate it on a few networks. So we'll go ahead and activate it on Optimism. And then you'll have to pay a gas fee because this is an on-chain transaction. Okay, so that's completed, and then we'll go ahead and also activate it on Polygon. Okay, so now it's activated on two networks. So before we do anything else, let's also activate the authenticator. So similar process, we're going to first sign. And because we already have our email set up, we're going to get the OTP from our email. And then now we can set up the authenticator. So we scan the code and return the password. And then you get your recovery codes, which you should back up. You can always request them again. And now you have both set up. So for our example, let's just go to email and set it up as the default because it was switched. Okay, and we can now just test it out by doing a swap. Okay, so for the swap, we're just going to go ahead and swap 2 USDC from Optimism for a little bit of ETH. Then when we press send, we will get the signature request. And then here we get our OTP. But instead of just typing in right away, we're going to click below where it says don't ask for the next 30 minutes. This will enable a session and make it a little bit easier to transact. Then we copy the code and confirm and complete with the signature. So now we've swapped and have enabled a session. So if you go to the top, you can see that the session is indicated and it's set for the timer there, which is 30 minutes. And then if you want to terminate this session early or at any time, you can just go ahead and press the X.